Good morning, beautiful souls. My name is Dorcas, a lover, a therapist, and today a gentle witness to my own becoming. Welcome to a day where I choose to love myself. Oops, coffee break. The sun hasn't fully stretched, but I greet the dawn with a warm cup of coffee, inviting light to spill into the room like grace. I step outside, the patio, my sanctuary. Nature offering me a soft embrace in the form of wind and whispering trees. My gaze settles on the lush green tapestry before me, and beside me, Bernie, hi Bernie, the sheep lounges. Unbothered, present, at peace. I mean, it starts to get a little bit nippy. The chill nips at my skin, so I return indoors, but with a heart that is so warm, to set the tone for the day. Gratitude. Gratitude for the agape love, God's unconditional love that kisses my soul and gives me permission to slow down, to breathe, to be. Good morning. Therapist prompt of the day. If I was to give myself 0.5% more love today, what would my day feel like and what would it look like? So I'm going to give you all the moment to take your time to reflect and to observe intuitively. If you were to offer yourself 0.5% more love today than you did yesterday, what minute, subtle, or even drastic changes would curate a day that held more love for you? Today I'm having a very, very light breakfast of some mangoes and some pineapples. Really good. I want to reverence rest, quietness, stillness, to engage in the art of noticing. Yes, I'm producing. Yes, I'm creative. Yes, I'm very academic and I have a very strong output and I like to navigate my life in that way. However, time is going. And this morning, as I reflected that I'm in the 5th month of the year, where did the time go? I was now going through my pictures on my phone to examine what did I do? What have I done for the last five months? And I realized, okay, I've been studying for my postgraduate in counseling and psychotherapy, seeing clients. It's been a whole lot actually that I've been doing. But am I taking it all in? Am I embracing the people that I'm around? I've done this course with a whole bunch of people that I've never met before. Have I engaged with them fully? It's, because I honestly don't want to live my life constantly chasing that next goal. Constantly chasing that. I don't want to live my life chasing that next goal, chasing that next thing, chasing that, only to have gone years and not nurtured myself, not nurtured my relationships. My health is being compromised. So today I ask myself, what do I need? Not what does the world need from me, but what exactly do I need? What am I longing for? The journal prompt of the day is, if I was to offer myself 0.5% more love today, what would my day look like and what would my day feel like? I know how slow, free, and relaxed I want my life to be. To take deep breaths, to embrace each moment, and to engage in presenteeism. As I have given myself the permission to fight the resistance to produce, to do, to work, to strive, I feel so full, yet I have done so little. I feel satisfied, yet I have consumed nothing. If I am to offer myself 0.5% more love today than I did yesterday, it would be to engage and play with silence, to dance with silence, to merge with boredom, and to sit with the mundane. There's so much that I'm noticing today. And as I allow silence to breathe over me, I have more clarity over my real innate desires. I feel like they're just bubbling up within me right now because I can really hear my internal grounded dialogue. That still small voice. When you cut back down on the noise and the opinions and the thoughts, and you lay down the doom scrolling, I know what's mine, and I know what's the world's. And now I can hold space for the very things that really matter to me and that I care about. And so, yeah, I want to entertain more silence in my day, because I've really, really come into a place of real connection with my own inner voice and what matters to me. As I was praying today, I just really felt the heavy presence of God. I felt so drawn to so many people in my life. I just was praying and interceding on behalf of the people that I care about and I love. And when you're so busy constantly running and you're in survival, it's so difficult to connect outside of yourself, to even think, to give yourself the permission to think and wonder and hold space for the curiosity about the lives of the people that you proclaim to even love. So today I spent some time in my silence to ponder on the lives of the people that I love and care about, and to pray for them. I picked up this really lovely banana sourdough muffin at a local bakery, and I just can't wait to indulge. Today I'm going to follow the reflective practice model of journaling. What, so what, now what? Setting the intention really holding the ending of the day so that we can park what needs to be parked and we can carry forward what needs to be carried forward into the next day.